forged in pressure, reflected in 2 gold stars earned. Shine on, Masandawana. Shine on.
Zibamba nentanganye FNB Stadium kumdlalo weBetway Premiership match day number 3 for Kaizer Chiefs, while it's still match day number 2 for Mamelodi Sundowns. Current season 2026-2027, it's 1-1 between Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. The current log leaders both Kaizer Chiefs sitting on top with 7 points. Mamelodi Sundowns after 2 games they have 4 points. Besibukela lo mdlalo Junior, umdlalo noko leading up to le viki wena mdlalo ujonge ngamehla bomvu lo mdlalo weKaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns, and it's another one that is shocking okanye mhlawumbe ukuthi is unusual ukuthi kumdlalo weleague wesithathu between these two teams xa sidibanisa naleya last season bezi draw zoyi 3 uzothi ga ngale khumbula first round aying 0-0, second round Loftus 1-1 again bavula ngo 1-1 again this season. Into engaqhelekanga ukhodla ngoba ku winner between these two teams. But Junior masingene ku mfethu mandikubulise kodwa uqala unjani?
Sheni mabrada kunjani? Ngibulisa Justice Shabalala. Benedict Sovilakazi ngibulisa kululeko mabrada. Ngibulisa ubobuzini. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting on one, try to fix South African football. I think it was a fair results for me. Honestly, it was fair results. Asikhuluma ngoMikel Cardoso. Disappointing the way aqala ama season ngakhona. Ngikhuluma ngala season na this season. I mean, isikhuluma ngecoach that won the Star is they are CAF champions. They are continental football champions this team. But namhlanje the way ba approach game ngakhona. We aqede ngakhona igame bekumele approach ngalo ndlela. Today game you can't have 3 central midfielders abadlala ngokufana. Obas Mkhulisi mhlambe wena the way ufuna abadlale ngakhona in terms of when you set starting 11 sakho uyabatshela ukuthi they don't have to join in the box. Udlala nga 3 central midfielders, you've got wingers abayenza into one. Badlala basic football, these 2 wingers. Awuna number 10. Udlala ngabantu abadlala like full backs. Ngikhuluma nga this guy uVan Wyk nalela ngwenya le Matthews. They playing like wing backs at Sundowns. And among now number 10, team yakho izoba so ordinary. I mean there's so much ball position. Build up yabo two station. Na last season wenza so coach like benga to run out of ideas. Coach this season mayiqala last year wanted ukora ngama wing back. Yabo amabhola avela wide na this year ngibona uqala igame kanjalo and it's disappointing. I was lucky to win a game ye Tuks Galaxy, if I can be honest with you. Not convincing. I mean not the way baqale ngakhona egame namhlanje. I mean so much ball position, but ngihlale ngisho ground number 5-3. You can't play as if the way you play up ngakhona na midfield udlala as if you are built up even up front. There's no sense of agency, there's no energy. Agna penetration. You don't even turn it defense. That's why ngithi lama ngibona une believe ku Van Wyk, ngibona une believe na ku this guy Matthews. I know ukuthi Matthews unokuyibhayila Sundowns, but I'm not convinced in terms of attack, and Kaizer Chiefs came to this game they bebanga nama intentions to win here.
So Junior ngokuqhawula because andifuna simove away kule ndaba kaCardoso. I think this season yakhe start ku Sundowns league because his first season he won the league, last season he finished second but won the CAF Champions League. But there were talks with last season. One of the reasons why ngaqala ngakahle season is because Sundowns didn't have a pre-season, because while it was time to take a pre-season they had to go and play Club World Cup, but this season he had a pre-season in Austria. What do you think is the main cause or the main reason why Sundowns are slow this season, despite them having a pre-season this current season?
Coach lo muntu lo he pretend as if team yakhe ufuna idlala ibhola. You understand? He pretend mawumbheka kahle Mikel Cardoso makafika ku Sundowns angabanga ne pre-season. I coach ufuna ukudlala sort of we limit touches but we create so many chances. So mentality yakho is to win. How you find a way. That's why you see Matthews week in and week out. It doesn't give you anything he's playing, because hard work, it goes backwards, it goes forward without the creativity. You don't care ukuthi offensive ukunikani. You're just concerned about the hardworking yakhe. He can defend, he can go forward. And it's really shocking. And Mikel Cardoso, disappointing yakhe this year, ube ne-preseason. But the team yakhe mawangabheka, uthi team yakhe mayidlale. Yes, ngiyambona uthi okay, let's build up. Too slow, Shane. Very slow. Very, very slow. And I understand why keeping these two pair. To center back with Sundowns, which is Ukraine Kekana and this guy Johannes. I don't understand why Johannes is earning in the work with Sundowns. Too many mistakes, and you get another coach, a smart guy, he punish you. Ngale la bola leli uJohannes alidlala central, and then you are out. So Mikel Cardoso, akusi coach believe ukuthi kumele kudlalwe. You understand? The coach that believe ukuthi kumele sidlale, he will find a way. If even if we play, but you must build up maybe quick. Midfielders need to show up. Sometimes ibola mele double up from akumelanga hayi yonke ibola lisuka at the back and then need to go center and then mele up front. Igolo izengene neteam mele libe na lichashe wonke ama positioning like ama zone in the middle. No, sometimes that double up from here at the back and goes up front. It's done, finish. So udlala nga basic players adlala ama wing forward. Awuna number 10. Now limit yonke attack. Very very disappointing game team yakhe. Yes, pole position ube nayo. Understand? So enough, he made changes. Chiefs made changes, which is the coach which is Mshayile and I change yak. I understand to keep Pili. Why taking out Pili?
And he just scored the goal, and his confidence was up because when even in the celebration where he took off his shirt, you could see he was excited. He was motivated.
Other coaches ngathi game abakwazi ukuyigeleza ukuyifunda. Coach, the guy scored immediately. Dala alifuna umfana. Nama was praying to for this guy to get the goal based on, he's a star player at Kaizer Chiefs. And yambona njoba ngisho yamlimit akafuna ngene phakathi. Uphili can go as a winger. Mangabe mfethu bheka coach yakho, coach, can you read a game? Check la ngi threat khona team yami. In your team there's no threat except the boy. Ngikhuluma nga first half Pule Modi, I don't understand any starting 11 so kwenzani. I understand ngibona coach umqalile today. That's why I'm believe ukuthi technical team yabo nokuba involved. Pule Modi played so much games last season angenzi nix. Not today umqalile the game. This boy Pili, I don't understand the coach.
Coach Uda Cruz, before the game, everyone was talking about that starting 11. 3 centre backs. You had Monyane, you had Modi was playing more as a left wing back. What do you think Coach Da Cruz was trying to gain? Abafuna ufumana ndoni kulo mdlalo namhlanje against the Sundowns, considering that uqale lo mdlalo even without an out and out number 9.
A big team like Chiefs, I'm disappointed to ukudlala nge-false 9 yabo. When you have quality side, you understand the coach is smart. You can, if there's a movement match, Connie movement, you technically, I'm a player code, they're technically superior. There's a lot of movement. Yes, you can. You can play on number false 9. Players that can score goals coming from deep central. Abasmet, abaphethe individual brilliant, but you don't have those type of players. Now udlala false 9 because they're scared of Sundowns. Chiefs then bebanga intentions to win the game. They came to stop Mamelodi Sundowns, but like low block. Udlala 3 defenders, 3 central defenders. Umori as a wing forward, udlala as a left back. Udlala double left back. Umori umpeke bekatreka back kanjani. So you can't get happy as a coach. Chiefs nayo badlala home. Nabo they playing home. Sundowns sharp, we blame them like creativity, but in the midfield kuna 3 central midfielders, Umthethwa, Umabuye, Undlovu, and then center back Udis Kamlesane, Mikel and Kwenika.
And also before Sivale Junior, thousand formation elolu hlobo. Playing against Sundowns, they are the most powerful team in the league. Kauza nale formation, okay, you're gonna play 5 defenders defensively against Sundowns. As a coach, what message are you sending also to your supporters? Okay, so you got a team. Or was it matter okay, this is just how we wanted to play namhlanje against the Sundowns because they knew if we open up, we might be in trouble from the Sundowns. Or do you think indlela yena ayazi ngayo uCoach Cruz ukuthi okay, I've got the players but they're not good enough, they're not on that level ukuthi ngaya pound for pound Sundowns?
Yeah, a pound to pound uadmithile. Akusi uyephela maningi ama team when they play Sundowns they're not playing according to strengths sabo. Sundowns well respected team. In Africa by respect Sundowns they dominate you. It's a showcase whether they play through whatever. They don't change how they play. Their identity philosophy yabo change. You understand? And coach you respecting nje Sundowns. He said Sundowns you are better than us. Because starting 11 sakhe. And I don't mind even Batman with playing without a striker. I want Batman to come and add here numbers way 4 in the middle central. Ukuthi when you got the ball sense I don't care. As long as they don't score a goal. And the Chiefs, they don't bangayibheka Chiefs, they created the ball nje edlala uphili, which is umunyane, yilo lela bhola lelana, dangerous ball. But the rest they never created. It came here they never created so much chance. And it's because of starting 11 sub and the players that the coach believe ukuthi azostqala le game. And mawungabheka Shane, Chiefs after scoring, he mistake Sundowns. I mean, Chiefs never created the goal. Johnny's make the plan, uphuma ku position, utlera le bola nge-weaker foot, central, and then you get punished there. High school mistake, and uhlala wayenza lama mistake. You get another coach, and then you're never gonna come back. So Coach Caruso, Mikel came back, ufaka Bondlovu, kwaba ne-spark, the sense of agency now, movement better. Well done to this boy. I know ukuthi nje wenza iplanda nyani li-1. Mokoena but did very well, the boy. 4 passes, forcing amameta, whereby 10 defense. Clever, une football intelligence, and he's too quick as well. We Cassius Mailolo, well done to Mailula. Mhlale ngisho mina i-height ayisebenze ebholweni. If you clever and then you time your run, and you do run out dangerous position, especially by striker, you can get a goal. So well done, Cassius. But Sundowns came back strong after by consider. But I understand why Bigmela react. Mikel Caruso after gule team anayo. But the Chiefs, the way approach game ngakona Shane. Noma nawe ungeza with other team, it's going to be difficult to play with people abadlala nga 3 central defenders and 3 central midfielders without a striker. So defender ngabantu abangaka, how many players were behind the ball? Very difficult. But to Mikel Caruso na kumele alungisa something. Team yakhe is too slow. They lack creativity, and he keep relying on this guy Matthews and this guy Van Fake. And without number 10, it's disappointing ukubona between Marcelo Allende. Now this guy umkhulisi bangajoin on the box. Angibani Obasi Chiefs was not going pushing forward. Why bangajoin the boxing? Very disappointing. And yeah, I think the game might deserve it, but sometimes there's so many ball position, but without creating any chances. Mele sibe realistic. Yeah, it deserve nje draw.
Junior, thank you so much. That's Junior Kanye, former Mamelodi Sundowns. I mean, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Sorry. Coach, how did you feature Junior against Sundowns? Have you played against Sundowns? Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Swine 3-1.
Oh, my God.
Sheni ole angita matafula pheka. Sure.
Masivale. FNB Stadium, it's a draw. It's a stalemate. Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.